In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership on Zendesk. First things first, let's get you logged into your Zendesk account. Simply head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you're going to see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that. You might need to click on sign in one more time just to get to the right place. At this point, you should be prompted to enter your email address and password after you've entered your credentials. Either hit the enter key or click on the sign in button to proceed. And just like that, you're in. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into the tickets. You'll see your dashboard, and from there I want you to click on your ticket. This is the ticket whose ownership you're looking to change. Each ticket in Zendesk is like a little world with details and controls specific to it. Locating the correct ticket is the first step in managing its journey and ensuring it ends up in the right hands. Once you've opened your ticket, your next task is to locate the assignee drop-down. This is essentially the control room for deciding who is responsible for what ticket. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a list of potential assignees. These are your colleagues or team members whom you can transfer the ticket ownership to. Zendesk is great for team collaboration, and this feature really brings that to the forefront. After clicking the drop-down, peruse through the list and choose who you want to change the ownership of the ticket to. This could be based on expertise, workload, or any other criterion that makes sense for your team and the specific issue at hand. Making this choice thoughtfully is key to not just resolving issues efficiently, but also to managing your team's workload effectively. With your new assignee selected, there's just one step left. Go ahead and click on Submit as Open. This final step ensures the ticket status is updated and open, signaling that it's actively being worked on or needs attention. It's an important part of keeping your ticket queue tidy and your workflow efficient. And there you have it. That's how you change the ownership of a ticket in Zendesk. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient support system. Remember, the goal of tools like Zendesk is not just to manage tickets, but to ensure they're being handled by the right people at the right time. This ensures quicker resolutions and happier customers. Plus, understanding how to manage ticket assignments can help your team distribute workload more effectively, ensuring no one is overwhelmed while also making sure every issue gets the attention it deserves. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just needed a quick refresher on managing ticket assignments, I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of Zendesk.